Hey guys, how's it going? So there's some big news that just got released, and it's kind of a negative piece for bulls and kind of a positive for bears. I think in the short terms, bears might win, and the stock might be pushed down. Aurora plans to lay off 10% staff, but you gotta remember that in this video, it also said that senior strategist at Aurora said in an email to BNN Bloomberg that the company doesn't comment on speculations or rumors. So basically, this is speculation, because Tilray not too long ago, Tilray cut 10% of its staff in order to hit profitability, and Aurora is they're probably speculating that Aurora is going to be cutting some of their employees so they can push for profitability. So that's speculation and rumors right now. This is basically a bear coming out saying, hey, Aurora is probably going to have to cut their workforce simply because they need to push out profitabilities for the shareholders. That's the speculation right now. So the stock kind of was kind of ugly today, traded sideways. But in general, if we look at the entire industry as a whole right now, the market is actually downtrending. It's starting to downtrend. Everything is starting to look bearish at the moment. Anything could happen that could reverse stock prices. Earnings are coming up for Kira, for some of the MSO players, and if they if they can push out good decent numbers, that would really help out the entire MJ space in general. And Aurora's earnings are coming up too, and I think Aurora's earnings could help out the MJ space, or we could see brand new lows and make Aurora stock on even a bigger discount, which it's totally a possibility. So just be warned that there is still a possibility stocks could get even a lot worse than what it is now, simply because earnings could disappoint and it could spiral down control. But I really don't think so. I think earnings are going to be okay and pretty decent, because if we look at the sales of the MJ space for the month of November and October, it was pretty decent, and December had a mix of edibles and sales from the dry bud area. So if you combine that, I think the month of December is going to be at least 150 to 180 million dollars. But this is pure speculation because I think it's Christmas, and I think that the December is going to be pretty decent. So I think these guys' earnings are going to be decent. It's not going to be great, but the next earnings report after that will be a mix of edibles, high margin products, and flour. So I think that's going to be in the springtime, that's going to be when the stocks will rally again. But at the moment, you might have to suffer through some volatility, maybe. But Aurora, according to this article, Aurora will report its second results on February 12th. This has not been officially announced by the company, so this is pure speculation again. So if it was February 12th, it would be on a Wednesday, so that would be next week on Wednesday they'll report earnings. Aurora has not officially announced an earnings report. It could be next week, it could be late February, it could be early March, but eventually Aurora will have to report. But it definitely, I don't think it's going to be February 12th. It might be somewhere around February 12th. Aurora might announce some kind of news tomorrow for earnings. We'll see what happens, but at the moment, the MJ sector is under a little bit of pressure. And on top of that, Aurora, this negative bear article is putting a little bit pressure on Aurora stock. I think Jason from Wolf of Weed Street, I think he knew that this article was coming, and he told people to buy put options on Aurora at $2. I think at least that's pure speculation on my part, because he came out and he was like, yeah, buy put options on Aurora for $2. You know, he think people could still make some money because Aurora could still push down to $2. Who knows at the end of the day? I just want to bring up this fact. You know, on January 10th, 2019, what did Tesla do? Tesla cut 3,000 jobs, bracing for an uncertain future. At least this was a bear article, but it was true that Tesla cut 3,000 jobs. And this article was written on January 1st, 2018. Where is Tesla stock right now? $734. I think the bubble burst and it's in correction mode right now, but this nice low day was a good correction. So, you know, it's up to rich people if they want to continue to pump up the stock or crash the stock. So, you know, again, I don't know for sure what's going to happen. You know, oh, I don't know why I have my analytics up. Anyways, yeah, Aurora stock right now is oh, look at that. It's still holding on. It's still holding on, but again, I'm not going to sell. I plan to buy more. So, I'm not planning to sell because I really think Aurora is undervalued at these prices, and I just want to buy more. So, I do hope that the stock price goes down so I could buy more stock because I believe in this company, and this news will only let me buy in for cheaper. So I believe in this company, and I hope the stock price goes down so I can buy more. But again, you know, this is my own personal choice. Not advice to anyone. I want to add more. I believe in this company, and you know, if it keeps going down low, I'm gonna buy more because I believe that Aurora could be that's the word. They can be a global leader. They are still saying that they're working with Nelson Peltz. So who knows? Maybe a miracle will happen, and Nelson Peltz will come out at the right time, and Aurora stock can go back to 52-week highs. Who knows? We'll see. But now, when Nelson Peltz comes out, I guarantee you that this stock will have a short squeeze to the upside in a big way. But we'll see if that actually happens. Canopy Growth is red today, down 66 cents. It's looking really good right now, but again, earnings are coming up. Either earnings is going to drop this stock all the way down to $15, or we can see this stock go back to $25, $26. You know, that's why I'm telling everyone to be careful. Aurora stock could still continue to go down. Kron, I don't know, it's kind of neutral. Tilray is up 4 cents after hours. Oxley, like another company that I believe in. I think the revenues are going to dramatically increase in the springtime, and I think the stock price will trade at least $1 in the springtime. But again, pure speculation. Don't know exactly what's going to happen. I just know that the lower this thing drops, the better of an opportunity it becomes. Like, if this stock drops all the way down to 53 cents, I think at that point, I think right now is not a bad buying point, but I think that at 53 cents or lower would be the best buying point. So there's a possibility Oxley could still go down to 53 cents. Be careful. I'm just saying that I think that this is one of the winners in the future. I don't think they're going to disappear. They have a partnership. They have lots of cash in the bank, and they will continue to execute on their strategy. And I think, you know, one day they could be a leader in Canada, at least my opinion. The one thing they're lacking is branding. They have absolutely no branding. But besides that, they're still, you know, they still make products. They're still selling all their products. So, and I'm bullish on the earnings. So, we'll see though. The market today is green. Oil is green. Oil gold is down $2.80. Not too much to say about that besides more pumping by the government. Just kidding. I don't know for sure, but according to YouTube channels, according to a lot of people, the government is pumping billions of dollars into the markets right now to keep it from crashing. Yep. Apple stock is up 3 cents after 35 cents after hours. Had a decent day today, up $2.60. Apple is reflective of the market. The market goes up, Apple will go up. The market goes down, Apple will go down with the market. Aurora Group, still kind of bearish on Aurora Group. They lost a ton of money in 2 quarters in a row, and I think the stock's going down. But again, we'll see though. It could go back up to $50-$60, but I'm still bearish on it. I know there's some bullish articles out there that's saying that, oh, we give it a, we think that they still could pay their dividends. We think the company will be fine, blah, blah, blah. And, I think, if they keep losing like this, they might cut up their dividends, and that will really crash the stock. Acreage Holdings is down 2 cents after hours. Sorry, not after hours. Today, it's just sideways trading. I'm surprised that Acreage Holdings is at $6 when Canopy is sinking like a rock right now, But again, sometimes they don't reflect each other positively. I think that, the lower Canopy goes, the more likely. Well, I think earnings is also important too. They need to announce some good numbers, or they could sink the entire market. More Acreage, Beyond Meat is down 26 cents, up after hours 33 cents. Not too much to say about that. It's just trading sideways. Chap today, up 10 cents. Chesapeake Energy up 5 cents. Harvest Health and Recreational, down 13 cents. Liberal Health Science, down 4 cents. Today's Liberal Health Science showing some big weakness, but then it's going on sale. I think that at 65 cents is a pretty decent opportunity to pick up some shares, but again, that's my opinion. It could drop all the way down to 55 cents. 54 cents would be a good level of resistance. I don't think it will drop back down to 40 cents. But if that is the scenario, that would just blow my mind. Because it would make absolutely no sense for it to go all the way down to 55 cents. But who knows? Maybe it will. Maybe it'll go all the way down to 40 cents and, give you a huge opportunity to pick up on a great company that is profitable right now. We'll see what happens. Like, the market is controlled by rich people. If the stocks don't go up, traders really. So if the stocks don't go up, they sell and they hope the stock price goes down so then they can buy it and, keep swing trading it until there's a big spike in volume. True Eve is down a penny. Curaleaf is down 37 cents. More pressure on the market. Madman is trading sideways. And Bitcoin is very bullish right now. Up $300. High blockchain technology up 4.5 cents today. 25% movement to the upside. Very good day for Hive. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.